So as you go about loving people, showing love, meeting people online, these love scams are scams that you should be aware of. Finding love on the internet today has become a trend that is growing fast, especially with the advent of, you know, online dating apps and different technologies that help people to connect with love online. And this has led to the rise in love scams. Several types of love scams have become on the rise, and victims and people have suffered a lot of emotional and financial losses as a result of this. So today we are looking at about four different popular love scams. And today is Valentine's Day. Today is Love Day. So as you practice or you get into love stories or love activities, relationship, connecting with people online and everywhere, please beware of these four popular love scams that people use and to exploit their victims. The first scam I'll be talking about is catfishing. So catfishing is when an hacker or someone set up a fake profiles. They use fake persona by getting pictures that are not their own. For example, a guy can use pictures of a lady, or a lady might use pictures of a handsome looking guy. People set up persona that are not their own or they're not real online to lure unsuspecting individuals. So when they lure these unsuspecting individual, they engage in conversations and connections, and their victims think they are real, or they think the guys are as beautiful as the picture on their DP or their on their profile looks like. And then when they get into such conversations, they lure people to revealing information or revealing secrets about them. So catfishing is a popular scam, is a popular love scam that is common these days, and please be aware of that as you go about practicing Valentine. Another popular love scam that is often seen, romance scam. Romance scam involve building a romantic relationship with victims before exploiting them. So they make use of flattery words or promises of love, or saying beautiful and sweet things to people, making them to feel comfortable with them, and then they build emotions. They stir up people's emotions and make people believe they are real and genuine with them. So the relationship progresses into asking for help. They usually come back asking for money for maybe medical emergencies, or making a travel expense, or even business expenses or business investment. Sometimes they ask for help for academic or educational purposes too. They use flattery words, elaborate stories. They use promises of love to get their victim to believe and trust them. Another popular scam is sextortion. So sextortion is whereby uh, an unsuspecting person is deceived to provide explicit videos. So these hackers, they deceive their victims, telling them, convincing them into sending explicit content or explicit videos, maybe like nude pictures of themselves and videos, so that when after they've gotten these videos, they use it to extort them for money. By threatening them that they're going to throw the pictures or videos, make it public, and then unless a ransom is paid. So sextortion is a very popular scam that is out there today. You need to watch out for. Another scam is marriage fraud. So marriage fraud usually happens when the scammer gets into a fraudulent marriage into with his or her victim, with the intention of gaining a legal residency or citizenship status. Sometimes it's not just legal residency or having anything to do with immigration. Sometimes the target individual they perceive to be wealthy or having access to inheritances, so that by getting into a marriage relationship with them, they have access to the person's wealth, to the person's information, they have access to the person's businesses, and then they are able to launch their attack and run away after a while. These are popular scams that are there that you need to watch out for. So as you go about loving people, showing love, meeting people online, these love scams are scams that you should be aware of. This is cyber culture interface again, where we're talking about cybersecurity. One of the things you can do to checkmate these love scams is to make sure you are very cautious when meeting people online. So when you are conversing with people or strangers online, be very cautious and be very careful of the kind of information you share. One of the things you can also do is that don't just communicate with the person using all these communication apps like Skype or Slack or even Facebook calls. Make sure you call the person on registered phone lines from wherever country or wherever they are, that you can verify. And also try and do some research about these people. Don't just believe their talks. Try and Google them, check out their Facebook account, check out their LinkedIn, do a little bit of OSINT, open source intelligence, do some Google Docs. You can consult, cybersecurity professionals to help you check out the people's background, and ask people around, ask who's their friends, who's their family. Just make sure you go a little bit extra in finding out information. And most importantly, when your friends also warn you or your instinct tells you, please make sure you take heed into this instruction. This is cyber culture interface. You're welcome.